If you could describe Discoasis in one word, what would it be?
Sparkly.
Sequins.
Begonias.
Botanical.
Glamorous.
Gay.
Fantastic.
Funky.
Exquisite.
Hype.
Paradise.
Yummy.
Fabulous.
Great.
Fantabulous.
Colorful. Happiness.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm taking you on a trip to the Discoasis. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel full of roller skating tutorials, reviews, general roller skating lifestyle videos like this one. I definitely think that you should subscribe if you are a roller skater. If you want to be a roller skater, hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified when I post. I put out new videos every Tuesday, and sometimes I drop other ones on other days.
Hey everybody, what's up? So today I'm gonna take you on a little trip to the Discoasis, and you're gonna get to see all about what this magical roller skating and gardening disco paradise is and what you can do here. We're going to the Discoasis. Yo! So we're getting carted, we're going down to the, we are so special, we're going down to the Discoasis. How you guys feel in the back? You feel good?
Feel good.
Yeah.
Feeling good. Looking good.
Yes, feeling good, looking good. So if I had to describe Discoasis to you, I would describe it as a disco, roller rink, garden, magical paradise oasis. When you first walk into Discoasis, one, it's at South Coast Botanical Garden, so you're walking into this beautiful botanical garden paradise. And then you arrive at the starting point of Discoasis, which is a huge sign that says Discoasis. Then you start walking through these different vignettes that are inspired by different disco icons and different elements of disco and the disco era. There are little vignettes inspired by David Bowie, by Madonna, by Diana Ross, and all of it is spectacular in that there's disco balls and there are performers, and it's this interactive experience, which is really, really cool. You walk through a garden tunnel, you see that there are like disco balls hanging from trees, there are lots of lights everywhere, and that's just the beginning. Once you get through the whole area with all of the vignettes, you turn around a corner, and when you turn around the corner, it is a moment because you look and you see this huge roller skating rink, and in the middle of it is like a big island, and there are these life-size disco balls, there's performers, there's skaters on the rink, and it is just incredible. There are lights everywhere. If you arrive during the day, it's also just a stunning view. And overall, if you're there at the night or the daytime, it is just breathtaking. I made sure to experience all of this for you, so I went through the vignettes at night to make sure to show you what it looked like lit up, because I think that it's absolutely spectacular lit up. But then let's travel back in time for a second and see what the rest of the world is like in the Discoasis when the sun is out. Once you've arrived at the location with the roller rink and the island in the middle, there's a bunch of other stuff that you can do. There are drinks and snacks. Don't forget your hand sanitizer. There's food trucks. Hi, can I get everything on the menu, please? There are also photo booths all over the place. There's one that you can lay down, and there's like plants and disco balls behind you, and then the camera is set up over top. There's a spaceship open disco ball thing that has a lit floor that actually Christina Aguilera used in her Vegas tour. And there's also like cute vans and cute backgrounds and neon signs and all sorts of fun stuff. Now, once you've taken pictures, you've gotten some food, you've gotten a drink, there's also a vintage arcade where you can play some games, and there's even lawn games set out. So whatever you are interested in, there is tons to do at the Discoasis.
Oh my God, they have merch? Shut up.
And once you've played all the games, gotten yourself some food and drinks, I think it's time to get ourselves onto the roller rink. So you can rent your skates at the skate rental center, which of course is covered in glitter. And then lace them up and get on out there and start to skate. I love roller skating, obviously, and it's been really cool because a lot of the people who've come to Discoasis haven't roller skated in a really long time, or they have roller skated and they haven't really had the opportunity to be at a rink-like situation in a while because of the world. And so there's a really great sense of unity there at the Discoasis. Once you're on the rink, you'll notice a few things. The first is that it's really fun to skate on a roller rink outside. The next is that there are performers out on the rink skating with you, and intermittently throughout the night there will be performances from skaters, aka me and my friends. Some of the skaters that you might see in no particular order are
So if you think Disco Oasis is awesome, you just wait to see behind the disco ball. Behind the disco ball is the behind the scenes of the Disco Oasis roller skaters. We just pretty much bring you all the drama, the romance, the comedic moments that happen on stage and off. You know, just can't make the shit up. Next episode coming to you soon.
On top of fantastic skaters and just a really great time, there is so much fun to be had at the Disco Oasis. I definitely hope that you got a chance to come, and if you didn't get a chance to come, I hope that you enjoyed this little insight into what Disco Oasis was all about, and hopefully Disco Oasis will travel around and come back to LA, or maybe come to a city near you, and you can visit the Disco Oasis and experience it for yourself. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me if there are other roller skating experiences that you want me to go experience and bring to you, because I will definitely do that. And don't forget that you can get some cool stuff at cheerstothequeers.com if you want to support me or support this channel, or you can become a Patreon. Thank you so much for coming with me on this journey to the Disco Oasis. I hope you had a wonderful time just like I did. And now I'm just going to use disco balls everywhere and wear sequins and glitter nonstop, and no one can stop me now. But most importantly, cheers to the queers!